Physical divisions of India. The Northern Plains. Physiographic divisions of Great Plains of India. The Northern Plains are classified into three major physiographic divisions: the Babar, the Tarai, the alluvial plains. The Babar. Running in the east-west direction, the Babar belt is around 8 to 10 kilometers long. The east side of this division is narrow as compared to the western part. This entire belt of 8 to 10 kilometers runs from the river Indus in the west to the river Teesta in the east. This division constitutes coarse rocks and pebbles in high intensity. Most of the area under this land is dry, experiencing light to medium showers. It is quite unsuitable from crop cultivation. The Tarai. Tarai is a marsh land to the south of Babar. Its width is around 10 to 20 kilometers. As opposed to Babar, the Tarai division is dense in the eastern part where the river Brahmaputra receives heavy annual rainfall. It features some underground streams of the Babar division. Most of the states falling in this region, such as Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, and Uttarakhand, are used for agricultural purposes. The alluvial plains. The alluvial plains are further divided into two subtypes. The Bangar, comprising dark color, massive humus, and production alluvial soil deposits. The soil of the Bangar is clay and intense in lime. It has two regional variations, the Boor formations in Ganga and Yamuna, and the Barand plains in the Bengal Delta. It constitutes minor traces of alkaline and saline efflorescence, denoted with names such as Kalar, Boor, and Ray. This also contains the fossil remains of extinct plants and animals. The Khadar, occasionally known as the flood plains with intense alluvium deposits. The Khadar is porous in intensity, light in color and sandy in texture. Most fertile soil belt out of all, especially around the Ganga region. Also referred to as betlands or bets in the state of Punjab. Present along the minor rivers in between Punjab and Haryana. Over here, the Khadar division is known as Dayas. The altitude of these days is about 3 meters. Climate of Great North Indian Plains. The Great North Indian Plains experience a continental kind of climate. Here, by the word continent, it means that most of the states in this belt experience extreme climatic conditions. Thus, states such as Delhi, Haryana, Punjab, and Uttar Pradesh are extremely hot in summers and extremely cold in winters. Vegetation of Great North Indian Plains. In addition to fertile soil excellent for irrigation, the northern constitute rich vegetation, especially in the southeastern parts. The plains are a home of a large variety of plants and trees. Some of the popular vegetative growths in this region are as follows. Sal. Mangroves. Hardwood timber trees. More to this, the plains are excellent for growing food crops such as wheat, rice, maize, and sugarcane. Soil of Great North Indian Plains. The northern plains constitute rich and intense deposits of alluvial soil. This soil contains decent amounts of lime, potash, and phosphorus. It is ideal for the growth of crops such as paddy, sugarcane, wheat, rice, maize, and other pulse and cereal crops. Significance of Great Indian Plains. The immense concentration of rural and urban population incorporates vast political, cultural, and economic powers. Delhi, the national capital of India, is located in the northern plains. Civilizations of Aryavata began in these plains. The epics of Ramayana and Mahabharata took place in this region. Witnessed the major civilizations of India such as Lothal, Harappan, Mohenjo-daro, etc. Comprises many holy sites of pilgrimage such as Mathura, Vrindavan, Ayodhya, etc. With a population of around 65 crores, these plains cultivate around 60% of the Indian food production. Conclusion. Altogether, the Great Indian Northern Plains play a substantial function in the geographical richness of India. One of the densely populated regions of the country, the plains add to the cultural and the traditional heritage of India. Thank you.